Hi viewers. You are watching Millennium Academy Accounting Hub. The job cost sheet is described as follows. Here's a breakdown of the steps involved in preparing a job cost sheet. Header information includes customer name, job number, address, job description, date promised, date started, and date completed. Costs are classified as direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. The job cost sheet shows that the direct materials added to job number 15, on 3 different dates totaled $600. The 3 entries for direct labor costs totaled $1,000. In addition, Medford charged manufacturing overhead costs of $1,600 to the job. Summary. During the time a job is manufactured and the total cost of the job number 15 is $3,200. Remarks. Completed the job on March 11 and shipped to the customer on March 15. Met all specifications and requirements.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.